Well, it seems the fireworks were at a high demand this weekend. Well, from what I heard and seen on YouTube videos, not only that, but in my neck of the woods, there was like Chirac around this bitch. But we all had fun, and that's what mattered. On the other hand, there were also shooting and murders. At least 150 people fatally shot, more than 400 shootings over the 4th of July weekend, according to CNN News. New York gun violence has been rising to levels not seen in years. There were 26 victims and 21 shootings from Friday to Sunday. Chicago, the most challenging weekend of the year for police. 83 people were shot, including 14 killed from 6 p.m. Friday to 6 p.m. Monday. According to CNN Review, let's travel to Fort Worth, Texas. 8 people were injured in the shooting. And in Austin, Texas, there were 2 females that were shot minutes after the bar closed on 6th Street. Let's tune in to the Austin News.
Austin police say 2 women were shot on East 6th Street overnight. They were taken to the hospital, but no word yet on their condition this morning. Police say the shooting happened just after 2 this morning near the intersection of East 6th Street and Trinity Street.
Feds wanna condemn me to a life of slavery. Mad that I'm eating in the meals of savory. Paddle of pastry, in-house bakery. Working the rock, slim, skilled in masonry. New money on the block and I'm unneighborly. Medals of honor for my acts of bravery. Don't risk your safety, I'm regarded greatly.